Hi everyone, this is basic market structure where we will discuss about structure shift or change of character. In the previous lecture we discussed that if bullish market changes its character to sell side, how this is confirmed? This is confirmed by the market if market breaks its higher low. If market breaks higher low of the structure. And what is the meaning of breaking the higher low? It means closing two candles below this higher low. We have over here break of structure. This is over here we have market trend is changed. So how do we confirm this? If market closes two candles below this low. Then we said that in the previous lecture we have three levels, this low, this high and this top. Prices may sell off after testing this low or after testing this high and getting rejection from this high, or prices may sell off after uh, testing the top. Here we have change of character, here we have structure shift. It means market trend is changed. Market is no more bullish if market closes two candles below this low. Until and unless the other option was if market closes two candles above this high. Above this high, if market closes two candles, again we say that market is again bullish. Okay, market starts its reversal if it closes two candles below this low. If it closes two candles again above this high, its bullish trend continues. Then this is manipulation. This is what we call closing of two candles below this low. We say that this was the manipulation because market again closes two candles above this high. It happens rarely, but it may happen. This is all about bullish market. And if we move to the bearish market, then we say that in the bearish market, market forms lower lows and lower highs. This is the low, this is high, this is lower low, and this is lower high. How do we trade the bearish market? This is low, high, and lower low. Here we have break of structure to the sell side. This is where this low market breaks. This is break of structure. If market breaks this low, this is break of structure. Okay. Over here, what do we say? If market comes to this low and gets rejection, we enter the market for sell from this low. If we get evidence over here, if market comes to this high and it gets rejection, we enter for sell and our target is this lower low. So this is low, this is lower low, this is lower low. If market, this is the way we trade in the bearish market. Okay. For trading in the bearish market, we need market to test the lower low or lower high. Okay. Now, how do we have, reversal in the trend? How do we have reversal in the trend? For reversal in the trend, we say that market is bearish like this if market closes two candles above this high. This low was this high was important. Here we have break of structure to the sell side and market is making lower lows. Now it's high, market has broken this high, market closes two candles above this high. We say that here we have change of character to the buy side. Now market's trend is reversed, market is no more bearish, market is rather bullish. Now we have this high and this low and this bottom. So now market tests this high, gets rejection from here and continue its bullish trend because market is now bullish. If market comes to this low and gets rejection over here and continue its bullish trend. If market comes to this bottom, gets rejection over here and market may continue the bullish trend. Market may go to the buy side. This is all for the reversal and we have trend change from bearish to bullish. This high was important. In case of bullish market, the higher low was important. Now lower high is important. This high market has two closings, two candles closing above this high. So market is no more bearish, market is bullish. Now we move to the chart of gold to see the example in the market. This is market is sell off, it is making lower lows. Now what do we see over here? We see that this is low, this is low of the market. Why? Because we have engulfing after this low. So this is low. Now this is correction of the market. Now market breaks this low and the highest level between this candle and this low is this. So this high is important. This is low, this is high, this is lower low. Now what do we have? This is lower low. This again, here we have break of structure. Again here we have break of structure. Why? Because here we have two candles. Here we have in bullish engulfing, here we have two green candle and the second green candle is breaking the high of the first green candle. So this is low and this high is important. If market wants to continue its bearish trend, this high is very important. But market has not given any importance to this high. Rather, it has given two candles closing above this high. So this is low, this is high, this is low, this is high, this is lower low. But this high, we have two closings above this high. So here, what do we say? Here we say that we have MSS or change of character. MSS or change of character. So after the MSS to the buy side, we say that we have three level. This is high, this is low, and this is the bottom. So what does market do? Market gets rejection from this high. Market does not even come to this low or this bottom. Market gets rejection from here. After the rejection, this should have been our position for long. Our SL should have been below this low or below this green candle and we should have entered the market for buy, and this is whenever we have dip we should look for change of character or structure shift to the buy side, and this is the way market has behaved and market is going up and up. So whenever we have a dip in the market, we should look for the MSS to the buy side and then we should look for the rejection from high or low or bottom, and we should enter the market for buy position with proper SL and risk management. This is the way to master the structure and this market. So this is the example here we discussed. Now the one point which is left is that if market is in the bearish trend and we have two closings above this level, we say that we have change of character over here to the buy side. Market, we had break of structure over here to the sell side. Now we have shift, market structure shift to the buy side. Now we say that market is bullish, market should get rejection, market should test this high or this low or this bottom. But what does market do? If market closes two candles below this low, then what will happen? We will say that market is again bearish. This is, here we had three options. The fourth option for the market is to close two candles below this low and continue its bearish trend. So here we had the bearish market. After closing two candles above this high, we said that market is bullish. If market closes two candles below this low, again we say that market is bearish. So in this market, mastering the structure is very, very important. What is the direction of market, you should know, and you should have only proper knowledge of this by knowing the structure and by knowing which high is important or which low is important. This is the way to trade the market, and in this video we have discussed only bearish market reversal. How does market changes from bearish to bullish? This is the way the market changes from bearish to bullish. I hope you have learned a lot from this. This is my fifth video for market structure. Now in the next videos we will move to the liquidity and inducements. Slowly we will move to the advanced level. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe my videos, and this will be very helpful to you. Thank you.